Update. I returned early from a work weekend to find my husband's work wife living in our home and my son calling her his real mommy, so I took my son, packed my bags and left him. But after I left, I went to my mother-in-law to tell her about some documents her son was hiding, but little did I know this move would ruin his entire life. The firm started its own investigation, and I could tell from the way things were going that my husband's career was now hanging by a thread. On my end, my attorney moved fast. Within days of filing for emergency custody, I was granted a temporary order that gave me primary custody of our son. The judge was very concerned about the situation, especially when I showed them evidence of how my husband had encouraged my son to call her real mommy. The judge said that was a clear sign of parental alienation, and given my son's age, it was a huge issue. It was obvious to the court that my son was being manipulated, and that weighed heavily in my favor. Meanwhile, my husband was calling and texting nonstop. He was all over the place. One minute he was furious, accusing me of blowing things out of proportion, and the next, he was begging for me to come home and fix everything.